Hello everyone, and welcome to break 1324 for the 2019 Panini Origins. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Sunday, December 15th, 2019. It's 10:57 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:57 p.m. Central Time, and 7:57 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Tony 3 spots, Jimmer 1, BSBR 1, JC Murphy 1, Chris 1, Mag 3, Anetta 1, Mel 1, Geo with 1 and 1, Aaron 12, Mustang 1, Turk 10 with 5 spots. We are going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. We have Tony on top, Turk on the bottom, once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Aaron on top, Mag on the bottom. So we have Aaron Cardinals, Turk Falcons, Aaron Ravens, Turk Bills, Mag Panthers, Jimmer Bears, Anetta Bengals, Mustang Browns, Big Cowboys, Mel Broncos, Mag Lions, Aaron Packers, Brian Texans, Geo Colts, Big Jaguars Chiefs, Chris Chargers, Big Rams Dolphins, Tony Vikings Patriots, Murphy Saints, Turk Giants, Bic Jets Raiders, Turk Eagles Steelers, Bic 49ers, Geo Seahawks, Tony Buccaneers, Bic Titans, and last but not least, Mag with the Redskins. So here we are, all sealed up. Whichever team is on the jersey is where the card will go. Good luck, everybody. First up, we have the GOAT, Tom Brady, 44 out of 299 for the New England Patriots. We have DeMarcus Lawrence, 175 out of 175 for the Dallas Cowboys. Big win for the Cowboys today. The one and only Myles Garrett for the Cleveland Browns. Suspended until who knows how long. We have Russell Wilson, Seattle Seahawks. All right, then we have Noah Fant, Denver Broncos rookie patch auto there for Denver. Very nice. Then we have Andy Isabella. The Arizona Cardinals rookie auto. That is 9 out of 25. Very nice. Cardinals laid a beat down on the the Browns today. And then last but not least, we have Mr. Deebo Samuel. That 49ers Falcons game was a wild one, to say the least. 33 out of 99. So let's go back through and see who is getting what. Starting with Mr. Tom Brady out of 299. Patriots going to Tony. Congrats, Tony. Marcus Lawrence, 175 out of 175 for the Dallas Cowboys. Going to Aaron. Congrats, Aaron. And helmet swinging Myles Garrett for the Cleveland Browns. Going to GT. Congrats, GT. Then we have Seattle, Russell Wilson. Going to Gio. Congrats, Gio. All right, then we have the Denver Broncos. Noah Fant, rookie patch auto. Very nice. Going to Denver. Denver Broncos going to Mel. Congrats, Mel. Then we have this very nice Andy Isabella, 9 out of 25. That's going to Aaron. Congrats, Aaron. And then last but not least, Deebo Samuel, 33 out of 99 for the San Francisco 49ers. Niners going to Aaron. Congrats, Aaron. And that's going to wrap up break 1324. So thank you everyone for getting in the break. We do appreciate it, and all of you watching. If you haven't already, be sure to click that red subscribe button right next to our right thumbs. You'll find us on Twitter and Instagram. And you can follow us on our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. And we hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.